Makadini kwese kwamuri. In this lesson, toda kuita special matrices, which is the algebra of 2 by 2 matrices. But before we get into that lesson, may you please subscribe, follow, like, share and comment. Maita basa. Saka takatarisa this lesson, which we want to do. Tiri kuda kutanga ne inonzi a zero matrix. Saka a zero matrix, it actually has another name. It can be called a new matrix. Then if we want to define this contemporarily, this is the zero of matrices. Saka kana tiri kuma matrix, zero anenge akambomira sei. Mamiriro anenge akaita zero anenge akadai so. So that is what we want to consider in this lesson. But before we get anywhere with this lesson, toda kuti mucherechedze kuti we are looking at the algebra of 2 by 2 matrices. Kureva kuti everything we are going to explain, from the zero matrix to the identity matrix, then in the next lesson pachatarisa the inverse of a matrix, zvino apply exclusively at our level to 2 by 2 matrices. So that 2 by 2 matrix, which we have already pointed out, kuti it is a square matrix. Ndo yatiri kuda kutarisa. A square matrix, like that. So the way we are going to introduce this, toda kutanga tatarisa basic algebra. Ende kana nchiti basic algebra, ndiri kureva kuti toda kutarisa numbers sekumaziva kwatinoita. So let us imagine kuti we have a number. Number yatinayo ndi 6. Tika multiply 6 na 0, tinowana 0. Then if we take 6 again, but this time tikati 0 times 6, tichawana futani 0. Saka 6 times 0, tichitarisa the position of 0, tinoona kuti in this case, this 0 is actually post multiplied to 6. Saka post tiri kureva kuti after. Saka tatanga tanyora 6 tikati times 0. Kureva kuti 0 ari kuuya after 6. Ndozvo ringoreva kuti post multiplied. Then in this case, 0 ndi ari kutanga. Saka inenge yava chi? We use the prefix pre. Kureva kuti 0 is being pre-multiplied to 6. Saka being post-multiplied and pre-multiplied, it is important when it comes to our understanding of matrices. And if I am to bring to your remembrance, remember when we did the multiplication of matrices, takati AB, kureva kuti multiplying the matrix A times the matrix B is not equal to multiplying the matrix B and the matrix A. So to put it pasi, takati AB is not equal to BA when it comes to matrices. Saka kuunderstanda kuti 0 in the first case ari post multiplied to 6 and 0 in the next case are pre-multiplied to 6. It is of vital importance. But to understand izvozvo manje, let us now go to matrices. Tuone kuti zvinofamba sei. So now looking at matrices, tatotaura kudhara kuti we are only dealing with 2 by 2 square matrices. We see kuti, let us say we take this example. Matrix yatinayo ndi A, B, C, D. Like this. So that is the matrix we have. tikada kuimultiplya ne0 matrix, we have already defined 0 matrix. Tikati the 0 of matrices inonyorwa yakadai so 0 0 0 0. So it's a square matrix, it's a 2 by 2 matrix, but every element inside the matrix brackets anenge ari ma0. That is what is called a 0 matrix. So if we take a matrix and we want to post multiply that matrix with 0 0 0 0 kana kuti the 0 matrix, this is what we want to do here. So we take a matrix A, B, C, D, we multiply it by the 0 matrix 0 0 0 0 like this. What do we get? So before we even know what we get, I think it's necessary kuti, as happens with basic algebra kana kuti basic numbers, 6 times 0 is equal to 0. Tika multiply a 2 by 2 matrix with the 0 matrix, tinowana futi a 0 matrix. Correct? Our answer here should be 0 0 0 0 like that. So sezvinoitika kwatati basic algebra kunoku kana kuti kuma ordinary numbers, maybe you can put it that way. Ordinary numbers, we see kuti if we multiply a number with 0, we are bound to get 0. The same happens with matrices. If we multiply a 2 by 2 matrix with a 2 by 2 0 matrix, tinowana a 0 matrix. Saka let us try to prove this sentiment to see if it is correct and accurate. So panapa we have A, B, C, D, which is a general 2 by 2 matrix. Toda kuimultiply na 0 0 0 0 to see what we get. Saka as we taught earlier, when we are multiplying matrices, it's row by column. Saka kana takuzoapply izvo, tinenge tichiti A multiplying 0 plus B multiplying 0. A unoyu times 0 plus B unoyu times 0. Then takumultiply this row and this column, kureva kuti A yakumultiply 0 plus B yachimultiply futi 0 like that. A unoyu times 0 uyu plus B uyu times 0 uyu. Then tikada kuapply the second row panapa, it's C multiplying 0 plus D multiplying 0. So it was this row times this column. Then panapa takuda kuti this row CD times this column 0 0. Kuroti chaita chi C times 0 plus again D times 0. And of course, if we simplify inside this matrix, tinenge takuti A times 0 ndeyani ndi 0 plus B times 0 ndeyani ndi 0. 0 plus 0 ndi 0. The same will apply panapa. 0 apo zvakare 0, then apo it's also 0 like that. Saka by so doing, we have proved kuti multiplying a 2 by 2 matrix with the 0 matrix, it's called a 0 matrix or a new matrix, tinowana a 0 matrix. Let us take a twist panapa. So maybe let me remove this kuti nyatsokuona. The twist we want to take is, what if we pre-multiply this matrix with the 0 matrix? Go out like this. What will happen if we do this rather? A, B, C, D, like that. Is this still going to be equal to the 0 matrix? In other words, tirikuti, we have proved kuti sezvinoitika kuma ordinary numbers, tika multiply 6 times 0, we get 0. Taona kuti zvinoapply futi kuma matrices. Takuda kuona kuti ko tikatanga nekumultiply 0 times 6, do we get 0? Tichibva from a premise yatamboita yatadzidza yekuti takadzidza kuti AB has equal to BD. Mazvona. Saka we cannot call it obvious. We have to prove it kuti tuone kuti zvinoshanda seizvozvo here. So let us try to prove it here. Takuda kumultiply 0 0 0 0 multiplying it by AB CD. This is equal to, let us do the calculation tuone. Saka when doing the calculation, it is going to be row by column like this. Saka taku apply that. Tenge takuti 0 times A plus 0 times C, the first row in the first column. Then to atati 0 times B plus 0 times D, the first row and the second column. Toyapana patuti 0 times A plus 0 times C, the second row in the first column. Tozoti 0 times B plus 0 times D, the second row and the second column. Simplify this. Pamsoro panapa it's going to be 0 0 0 0. Kureva kuti it is also true panapa. If we pre-multiply like we did here, we pre-multiply a matrix with a zero matrix, tinowana a zero matrix. If we post-multiply like we did there, a matrix with a zero matrix, tinowana futi a zero matrix. So if we want to look at our conclusions, conclusion yedu iri kutiudza kuti if we multiply A, B, C, D times a zero matrix, this is the same as multiplying a zero matrix with A, B, C, D, which will always be equal to 0 0 0 0, like that. So this is going to be our conclusion. The conclusion yedu. Saka zvinoitika kuma ordinary numbers, zvekuti kumultiply chona 0 is equal to 0, ndo zvinoitikawo kuma 2 by 2 matrices. Multiply a matrix with a zero matrix, it's always equal to 0. So that is what we learn here. Saka we have dealt with 0. Let us now move on to what is called an identity matrix. So the identity matrix takes after what I call the identity number. Saka panapa takutarisa the one of matrices. Kuti one yakamira sei kuma matrices, inenge yakadai so, inonyorwa so 1 0 1 0, like that. Saka zvatabva kuita manje tatarisa the zero matrix, kureva kuti tachida kuona kuti kokuma 2 by 2 matrices 0 anonyorwa sei. Tikaona kuti anenge ari 0 0 0 0. Takuda kutarisa the identity matrix, yataona kuti inonyorwa as 1 0 0 1. But tiri pano, of course we should first consider what happens kuma ordinary numbers. Toda kuona the same behavior inotorwa here kana takuma matrices, 2 by 2 matrices by the way. So kuma ordinary numbers, if we take a number x, for example, let me use a real number. Tikatora 3 tikati times 1, tinowana 3. 1 inoishi ndo yatiri kuti an identity number. It's an identity number, and this is post multiplication. And post because it will multiply 1 after 3. If we do the same thing panapa, tikati 1 times 3, we are still going to get 3. 1 inoi, it's the identity number, and panapa takudila pre-multiplication like that. So that's pre-multiplication. But tiri pano nemaka ye1 tichiti it's an identity number. So the identity of a number, take for example 3. Identity ya 3 ndi 3. And saka tika multiply a number with an identity number, we retain that number. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. Kureva kuti number iyoyo haina effect pa identity ya 3. Dinotanga tati 3 times 2 taiwana 6. Kureva kuti tachinja the identity of 3 from 3 to a 6. We have doubled the value, the identity. But if we multiply a number with an identity number, we are going to get that number. Saka panapa we have seen with 3 times 1 is equal to 3. Post multiplication. Dokuona kuti 1 times 3 is also equal to 3. Pre-multiplication. So let us see the implications of this. Kana tiri kuma 2 by 2 matrices. So if we are kuma 2 by 2 matrices, what happens? Let us say we have this matrix A, B, C, D, like that. So that is the matrix we have. Let us multiply this matrix with an identity matrix, which is 1, 0, 1, 0, like that, in this particular order. Order iya yamfangu kuifiringa. Kureva kuti amungati 01, 01, kana kuti 00, 11, no. The identity it's 1001. We are not here to prove kuti ndiyo identity. Rather, we are here to learn it. Then we apply it. Mapaona. Saka, that matrix, 2 by 2 matrix, 1001, should be taken at face value. Sesha iri. Dozo andukuzama kusimbisa panapa. So tika multiply this 2 by 2 matrix with 1001. Kana kuri kuti ino behave as ordinary numbers too. So that we should get A, B, C, D. Those are no reva. Because panapa 3 times 1 is equal to 3. So tika replace a 3e. Need this 2 by 2 matrix A, B, C, D. To multiply an identity matrix 1, 0, 1, 0. It should be equal to this matrix A, B, C, D. So of course, atingozvitendi nekuti ndazvitaura, tinozvitesta. Saka kutesta kuno kuteta kuti we are multiplying A, B, C, D with 1, 0, 0, 1. We know, as we've learned, kuti it's going to be row by column. Ma-arrows aya inangu akandikoshera. So tiri panapa manje. This is going to be equal to what? Tikati the first row and multiplying the first column. Inenge iri A times 1 plus B times 0. The first row multiplying the second column. Inenge yava A times 0 plus B times 1. Tikati the second row multiplying the first column, it's C times 1 plus D times 0. Tovatati, the second row multiplying the second column, it's going to be C times 0 plus D times 1. Like that. So tada iso manje, this is going to be equal to theta kuti A times 1 plus B times 0. The A plus 0. C times 1 plus D times 0. The C plus 0. A times 0 plus B times 1. The 0 plus B. And C times 0 plus D times 1. The 0 plus D. So we're not adding 0 to anything is equal to that thing. Saka panapa it's going to be A upon B. Panapa C upon D. Proved. Mashona. So tika multiply A, B, C, D. Need this identity matrix. tinowana ABCD. Tazviprova panapa. Saka panapa takachidhila nepost multiplication. Let us look at pre-multiplication. Kuti takutanga neidentity matrix 1 0 1 0 multiplying ABCD. Toda kuona kuti inotipa here ABCD like that. Saka panapa what we are doing is we know kuti it should be 1 0 1 0 multiplying ABCD. It should be row by column. Saka since ichidaro manje, this is equal to, take at the first row times the first column, it's 1 times A plus 0 times C. Then rekaningopedzisa, it's 1 times B panapa plus 0 times D. Then up it's 0 times A plus 1 times C. Then up it's 0 times B plus 1 times D. Like that. Takada we simplify further. Pamsoro panapa we have A plus 0. Panapa we have 0 plus C. Then up we have B plus 0. Up we have 0 plus D. Kureva apo tana A, apo tina C, apo tina B, apo tina D. Again, it's proved. Muruzona, we've proved it. Saka this statement is also correct. Saka says noitika kuma numbers. Kuti tikati 3 times 1 is equal to 3. Zvakafanana nekuti 1 times 3 is equal to 3. Ndo zvakare zvinoitika kuma matrices. Tika multiply a matrix with an identity matrix, tinowana that matrix. Hazvina basa kuti tatanga nematrix iyoyo tovatati times identity, kana kuti tatanga neidentity matrix tovatati times that 2 by 2 matrix. It does not matter. So let us draw out our conclusion panapa. The conclusion panapa ndeyekuti, if we multiply ABCD times identity matrix, this is the same as multiplying the identity matrix times ABCD, which is always equal to ABCD. That is the conclusion. Let us just sum up today's lesson. Saka lesson ranhasi tatanga ne 0 matrix. 0 matrix tati yakafanana na 0 kuma numbers. But iyo 0 matrix yacho inenge ichinyorwa so 0 0 0 0. Ndo taona kuti zvinoshanda kupi? Kuma 2 by 2 matrix. Ku O level handisi kuti ndo zvazviri kwese kwese, no. Pamunoenda ku A level kana muchiita pure maths ku paper 2, munenge makudhila ne a 0 matrix but for a 3 by 3 square matrix and so forth. But kwatiri kunoku zvatatoita izvozvo zvakatiringana. Saka izvi zvinongoshanda kuma 2 by 2 matrix. Ndo ataona kuti tika multiply a matrix ABCD times 0 0 0 0 tinowana 0 0 0 0 like that. Chero tikatanga na 0 0 0 0 tichimultiply that matrix tinowana futani 0 0 0 0. Sa izvi zviri kuita reinforce this statement yekuti yakafanana na 0. Then let us see kuti tabva ku 0 matrix tavatata antichibva pa 0 tunoenda pa 1. Saka ngatiendei pa 1 identity matrix. Yataona kuti iyi yakafanana na 1 and iyo identity matrix yacho order yakakosha inonyorwa as indinoidana chiti 10 dot futi 10 kuitira kuti ndisakanganwa. Saka panapa tasimbisa nhau yeorder ndobva taona zvakare kuti zvinongoshanda chi kuma 2x2 matrix. Ndobva taona zvakare kuti tikatora matrix ABCD tikamultiplya neidentity matrix iri equal to that ABCD, chero tikatanga neidentity matrix tikamultiplya naABCD zviri equal to ABCD. Mastatements ari maviri aya anosimbisa point iyi yekuti yakafanana na1. So this was the crux of this lesson. Ndozvatanga tida kudzidza in this lesson. In our following lesson, we are going to look at the inverse of a matrix. And from that lesson, we are going to have an exercise. So thank you for your attention. Thank you for your time. I hope that you have learned something here and have a nice one.